Hey YouTube, it's your girl Bree. Welcome back to my channel.
Hey guys, what's up? Today is Sunday and this coming Saturday is LA Comic Con, so come and do my maintenance with me. Since today's Sunday and I have school and work throughout the rest of this week, I need to knock out some of my maintenance early in the week so I don't have to worry about it later in the week. So I need to do my hair, I need to wash my hair, twist my hair. I need to paint my toenails because I'm wearing sandals. I need to shave everything. Not that you're going to see, but we're doing an everything shower. So if you know, you know. I need to pluck my eyebrows. And I'm getting my nails done on Wednesday, so I'll give you a sneak peek of that in a little bit. And also, I'm not done crunching, so, yeah. But you guys are seeing this video on Thursday, right? The con's on Saturday, so you'll see my final everything on Saturday, because I'll be posting my Nubia Con Crunch Chronicles video, and, honestly, it's coming well. It's going very, very well right now. I literally just curled my wig last night, and basically what I like to do when I go to conventions, I will do all my maintenance, and then days before, or usually a week before, I've done it in the past, a week before, I'll do like at-home photos and just like film content in the cosplay and yada yada. But I'm a little behind schedule, so I will be filming all my content on Wednesday after I get my nails done because I need the full effect, you know? But I'm really excited because this is like the third or the fourth cosplay I've made entirely on my own. So let's get into it. Hey, it's me in a voiceover. Okay, so I just washed my hair, put some leave-in conditioner, and then I'm using my Shea Moisture. It's like curling cream. I don't know which one it is, but it's in a tub, and I just twist my hair. I made it small because it's easier to put it in a wig cap. And then those are my dogs, but I'm not gonna show you. Hey, back again. So today is Wednesday, and I just got my nails done. Shout out to my nail tech, very cute, it's very demure. And I finished my suit yesterday or 2 days ago. On Monday, I finished my suit. So, today is the day that, since I got my nails done, I'm going to be taking at-home photos because I usually do that before my cons, as I've said previously in this video. So, I'm going to take you guys with me. I'm so obsessed with these nails, but I feel like I've already had nails like this before, but you know, it just eats, so why not do it again? But it's a little bit different from the last time. But I'm gonna take some photos. I literally took me like probably like 45 minutes to steam my black backdrop and my white because I have a vision and I'm going to execute it. So amidst doing that, I'm also editing like 2 other videos, and I'm filming another one right now as I'm filming this one because I'm filming a get ready with me because I haven't done that in a hot minute and I need more content to post. So yeah, let's see how I look because I have not seen myself in my full Nubia. But be right back. The hair, the fit, like you can't see the whole thing, but I'll show some photos. But the fit came together, to say the least. I look sickening. There's not much else that I need to do in preparation for Saturday other than get my car washed and put some gas in the tank. And that's kind of boring, so I won't be filming that. But I will say this was a shorter maintenance preparation video than intended because I'm only going one day. And when I go for a whole weekend, bed. Think about this times 3. But I did everything very, very fast. I only did it in like 3 days. So I think I did pretty good. And in saying, I don't have anything else to say, so I will see you guys later. Bye.